Here we have a 2019 BMW X5 XDRIVE30D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £10,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We also have the 22-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the M Performance Kit as well. We have the mineral white exterior metallic paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front grills just there along with the front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you'll find that we have the second alloy wheel, again unmarked, just down there. We have the side steps along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find that we have the black roof rails, we also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler as well just there. We have front and rear parking sensors with a 360-degree cameras. We also have the quad tip exhaust at the rear diffuser. We have a power assisted tailgate which will open with a simple press of a button on the remote. Now inside of here you find that we have plenty of space for whatever you may need, as you can see just there. We also have a button, if you press that just like so, it will close just there. And walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find that we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points. You may have noticed that we have the ambient lighting on the doors along with the blinds for the rear passengers. Both the outer seats at the rear are both heated and controlled just there as well. We have the electric windows as well on the doors along with the integrated speakers. Taking a look at the front, again the full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory function, and they are also heated as well. As you can see, we have the premium Harman Kardon on the doors. Memory function just there for the seats. We have the electric windows, so try that for the rear, and electric power folding mirrors as well. We have the auto lights down there, the auto wipers as well. Multifunctional steering wheel, which is also electrically adjustable. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter. Digital dashboard just there, and the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the DAB radio. We have the ambient lighting, the air suspension, and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.